This is Rosy Outlook stem set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 stem set with 31 individual stamps. Add beautiful and cheerful rose images to your projects using the stem set. It features sweet layered rose images, complete with a bloom, bud, leaves, stem, and 2 fallen petals. Simply layer the images together using our Krista inks. There are endless possibilities of floral arrangements when using this set. This set also perfectly pairs with various sentiment stems from Altenew. This Rosy Outlook stem set is a high-quality photopolymer stamp manufactured in the USA. To find out more about the Rosy Outlook stem set and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.